Hi everybody. We have the topic data type conversions. Data type conversion. We already known and we already learning the data types. What are the data types we have in C++? Int, float, char, boolean, chart, and etc. We have the number of data types in the C++. But what is the job of this data type? The data type is declaring the how the data should be defined. What data should be defined in the declaration of programs or in the C++. How data we are declaring, how data we are defined in the C++, that is indicated or defined by the data types. These are the data types, and these data types are, we have the conversions. Conversion means one data type to another data type. We are converting the one data that is having one type of data should be converted into another type of data conversion. That is called data type conversions. In this data type conversions, what we have done here? Here we have done the one type of data. One type of data is converted into another data type. It may be into short or into boolean, into character, anything. We are converting the data type conversion. But conversions, how we are typing the conversions, and we have the two types of conversions to convert the one type of data to another type of data, and that is, one is implicit type of conversion. Implicit type of data conversion. And second one, explicit data conversions. Explicit data conversions. And by using these two types of conversions, we are converting the one data type to another data type. And we are discussing first one, implicit data type conversions. Implicit data type conversion is nothing but this conversion. If the compiler wants to convert the one type of data to another type of data in the automatical manner, the compiler converts the data type to another automatically. Here the implicit data conversion is automatically done by the compiler. One data type to another data type. That's why here the conversion will be done in the automatically. That's why there is no data loss here. There is no data loss, because our conversion will be automatically done. That's why there is no data loss here. And the example of implicit data type, if I take a short data type and the variable a equals to value, we can declare 20 is the integer value, and in the data type is short, and I want to convert the short data type into int b equals to a. This is the conversion short to int. But we have the conversions. How we convert the data types one data type to another? Actual process of Boolean process or conversion. Boolean short int and long int and etc. conversions. The conversion will be converted to lower to higher data type. The conversion, how can we convert the lower to higher in the implicit data conversion? Because it is done by the automatically by the compiler. That's why the lower data type to higher data type type conversion is automatically done by the compiler in the implicit data type. This is the type of conversion in the implicit data conversions. Here the short data type is converted automatically by using the compiler to integer value or integer data type. It is the implicit data conversion. And second one, explicit data conversion. Second one, explicit data conversion. Explicit data conversion. It is here the compiler converts the data from one data type to another data type with the help of predefined functions. Predefined functions. Whereas coming to implicit data type, implicit data conversions, with the compiler should be converts the one data item to another data type. It automatically. There is no functions or there is no predefined functions in the implicit. That's why there is no data loss. But here coming to explicit data conversion, here the data conversion should be converted with the help of predefined functions. Predefined function. That's why here the conversion will be forcefully converted. Forcefully converted with the help of predefined functions. Not automatically converted here. Only predefined functions are converted, forcefully converted with the help of predefined functions. That's why here the data loss will be occurred. Data loss will be occurred. Data loss will be occurred. And here the data conversion will be forcefully converted, and the data conversion here forcefully higher data type to lower data type. Here conversion will be converted. It is explicit data conversions and forcefully done here. Forcefully converted to higher to lower. That's why data loss will be occurred. Because of higher to lower, it is very complicated to convert the one data type to another data type. That's why we are using the predefined function. With the help of predefined function, the data conversion will be forcefully converted. That's why here some data loss will be occurred. And if we have the short to int, here the short will be lower data type and int will be higher data type. And if it is converted, short to int is very easily automatically by the compiler within the implicit data conversion. Whereas coming to explicit, here integer is a higher data type and it is converted to lower. It is very expensive. These are the data type conversion in the C++. Thank you.